Menta kasngi ka khat khandai tarik unai lor 8,000 arpsau u mentri rangba ka jala u Conrad ke sangma ula ai khublai ka North East United FC Hamadan JN Stadium Polo Shillong hadin baklayo ra e takmak ser na ka Lempung 133 Durand Cup 8,000 arpsau dangshan. Haka jingkran ai men sim u mentri rangba uloong baka Jingshit Rhem kipat ba kamtam ki Samla ya ka Kynjatbol Meghalaya ka long ka bahadu kata kata bat baro kila Sakhi ka Lumpung Durand Cup ka badang syukut. Uloong bawala ka kerteng ka North East henrei ka bakham so tanat ka long baka de ka Meghalaya ka bayate aparlok baka sarkar jela. Ula kitbok ya ka jingyat lenti jongka nang ni syakman.
You on this great victory. I don't know how to put this, but obviously all tournaments are important and special, but somehow Durand Cup is got a different branding to it and a different kind of a feel to it. Legacy. So yeah, it's a legacy, exactly. So winning the Durand Cup is really a great honor, I should say. And you guys played extremely well. I didn't miss out on most of the matches, and so it was very well played, and so you all deserved it. And we're very happy that finally at least a team from Northeast has managed to win this particular tournament. So I once again, on behalf of our government and our state, would like to congratulate all of you for this great second to the future. And football is I think you must have seen, may not be on the right side at that particular day, but you must have seen the kind of passion that our youth have and our people have for football. So therefore we really look forward to in the future to a lot of positive outcomes with ISL and with of course the Northeast United partnering with us in our state. And it's not just about the games, but it's about the larger impact that we will see, especially for people who love football, and especially for our youngsters who would like to see one day wearing that jersey, who would dream of wearing that jersey and playing with some of you, and and maybe representing the country also at the top level. So really that's what we are looking at. It's a much bigger and larger picture for us, and we are very hopeful that with Northeast United, with other clubs also from the state, from the region also coming together, that Meghalaya will be a very important hub for football. And of course with the setting up of the academy out here, I'm sure that is going to be a big boost to football as a whole. We are also coming up with a lot of programs at the grassroots level for picking up talent at the young age and to promote them at the young age. So there's going to be a lot of things happening, and we look forward to partnership with all of you. So you're not just playing for Northeast United, but you're also now playing for Meghalaya and the youngsters. So you're partnering and motivating. You're icons for the youth of our state and the region. So that's what we want you to see yourself as. And I'm sure that with your participation, all of this will be achieved. So thank you once again, and I wish you all the very best. Okay.